To get the Robinhood Authenticator app, start by opening the Robinhood mobile app on your device. If you do not have the Robinhood app, download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is open, navigate to the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access the account settings. Scroll down to the security section and select two-factor authentication. You will be presented with the option to set up the Authenticator app. Choose this option to proceed. You will be given a choice between using the Robinhood Authenticator or a third-party authenticator, such as Google Authenticator. To use the Robinhood Authenticator, select the Robinhood option and follow the prompts to enable it. If you choose to use a third-party authenticator, you will need to download and install the Authenticator app from the App Store. Once installed, open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on the Robinhood app. Alternatively, you can enter the secret key provided by Robinhood into the Authenticator app. This will link your Robinhood account to the Authenticator app. After setting up the Authenticator app, you will need to enter the verification code generated by the app each time you log into your Robinhood account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps protect it from unauthorized access. It is essential to keep your Authenticator app and device secure to prevent anyone else from accessing your Robinhood account. Make sure to use a strong password and enable any additional security features available on your device. By following these steps, you can easily set up the Robinhood Authenticator app and add an extra layer of security to your account. This will help protect your account and give you peace of mind when using the Robinhood app.